AI is revolutionizing defense, not just in tech but in strategy. Nations are investing heavily in AI for everything from drones to surveillance. If you're a small-cap investor, this is your moment. Let's dive in. Modern threats are evolving rapidly. Cyber attacks and drone swarms demand immediate responses. AI is the key to real-time decision-making and battlefield coordination. Governments are no longer debating the need for AI, they're racing to implement it. The U.S. Department of Defense is pouring billions into AI technologies. This isn't just research, it's about real-world applications. Companies like RCAT Holdings and Airship AI are securing significant contracts, showing that the market is ready for deployment. This is about traction, not just potential revenue. Across the Atlantic, Europe is also ramping up its defense capabilities with AI. Projects like RCAT are integrating AI into military operations. The European Defence Fund is fostering innovation across borders, focusing on everything from imaging to advanced computing. Wall Street often waits for earnings reports, but the real action happens before that. Early signals can give you a crucial timing advantage. In small-cap tech, tracking these signals is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Want to keep tabs on defense AI trends before everyone else? Download my free thesis tracker below. This tool helps me monitor macro trends and funding flows, giving you clarity in your investment decisions. At Invest Connect, we focus on building conviction, not chasing hype. Subscribe for more insights, and let's stay ahead together.